Okay, let's talk about melodic embellishment. And what that means is non-chord tones. We've looked at these before. They first popped up in second species counterpoint. In 18th century style, we've got three main ones that we use, and they're the same three main ones that we used in second species counterpoint. But there's one big thing that's different about them. So first, let's talk about what are those three different types of non-chord tones. So a little bit of review. They are passing tones, neighbor tones, and consonant skips. Let's go out here and just do. So let's say I'm in the key of D here. So let's put just like a big old D somewhere. Okay, here's the D. Now let's go D, E, F sharp. Okay, easy enough. So passing tone. This is a consonant. This is a D to a D. This is a D to an F sharp here. A third, another consonant. This is a D to an E. That's a second. That's a dissonance. But we just pass through it. That's a passing tone. That's okay. So passing tone. Neighbor tone. Something like that. Here we have a consonant, D to D. Here we have a consonant, D to D. Here we have D to E. It's still a dissonance, but now we got it by just going up and back down. Like a neighbor. Like we went over there, now we come back. Going over, borrow some butter, coming back. That's what you do with your neighbor. You borrow butter. Okay, so there's that. Consonant skips. Something like this. Here we have a consonant skip. So both notes are consonants, but we've got a bigger interval in between them. Here would be another one. So a big skip in between them, or a leap even in between them, but both consonant intervals. So those are the kind of three types of melodic embellishments or non-chord tones that we're looking at. Here's the big difference. In this style, they can be anywhere. And in the previous style, and in second species or the other species that we looked at, they had to be on a weak beat. They always had to be on a weak beat. So either the second or fourth beat, or in between beats if we were working on eighth notes in the later species. But now the dissonance can happen on a strong beat. So look at this little excerpt here. Let's just hear it. Okay, that's nice. Let's hear that a little bit slower to see if we can really kind of pick out where the dissonance is.